6.3c. Okay, we are going to look at our number 1 first. So, the diagram on the right shows a circle with radius 5 centimeter centered at O. Given that PQ, where's PQ? Okay, over there, and PR are tangents to the circle, and the angle of our QSR is given 60 degree. Calculate the value of our x. So, if we are going to find our x over there, we are going to use the arc of QR, isn't it? Okay, the arc of QR, you have the circumference there by using, okay, let me draw for those who cannot see, not cannot see, but we are using the concept of our arc over here, which is the arc of QR. Okay, and we are going to have our S over here, which is the arc at our the angle at circumference is going to be 60 degree. So it means that the angle at our center here is going to be twice then our circumference, means that you are going to get over here is 60 times by 2. So you're going to get 120 degree. But our x there is half from our QOR, isn't it? So you are going to get divide by 2. So we are going to have over here 60 degree back. Can? Okay. That's for our A. B. The value of our y angle. Okay, this one you can have from the triangle. The triangle of what? Right angle, which is, I'm going to have over here the triangle of POR. Okay, which is given to us that our R there is going to be 90 degree, because it is point of tangency, and we have already that our at center there is 60 degree. So can I find our y here? Yes, 180 minus 90 minus 60. So you are going to get 30 degree. Next, we are going to have the length of PQ. Okay, so if you look over there, we have already same like our right angle triangle that we have over here just now. So I'm going to draw back. Okay, wait, yeah, I will see here. So I'm going to have this triangle like this, right angle triangle. So this is going to be Q, this is going to be our center, this is going to be our P. Okay, so over here we have our 60 degree, at our Q here is going to be 90, and also you have already at our P there is going to be 30 degree. And don't forget, the questions give to us what? The radius there, isn't it? 5 centimeter here. So, if we are going to find from the right angle triangle over here for our PQ. PQ is what? That one depends. Depends on the angle you are going to take. Okay. So, if you look over there, we didn't have what? Our hypotenuse. So means that we are not going to use saw and cross out. So what is left here? Yes, you are going to have TOA. Okay, so you have two angles there. So it depends. It depends on which angle you are going to take. If you are going to take 30 degree, okay, if tangent 30 degree equals to, so opposite for 30 degree is going to be 5 centimeter here is going to be opposite. So PQ is going to be our adjacent. Am I right? Okay, so you're going to get 5 over PQ. But if you are going to have for our 60 degree, tangent 60 degree means that for your opposite is going to be what? PQ here. So over adjacent, this one is going to be 5. So it depends which angle you are going to take. So our adjacent and our opposite to the angle also going to be different, right? But the answer will be the same, okay? So if you look over here, what should I do? I'm going to replace. For PQ here, you are going to have 5 over tangent 30 degree. For this one, I'm going to bring 5 here to the left side. So you are going to get PQ here is going to be 5 times with tangent 60 degree. So find for me the value. 8.66. Is it? Is it you have both 8.66 girls? Either one lah, jangan buat dua-dua ya. Saya tahu awak rajin. Lain macam je rajin Okay, next one we are going to look at our D. The questions there is asking for OP. OP is going to be what? Over there. We have already OP just now. Hypotenuse. So we can use what? Theorem. You are going to find using trigo. Can. Okay. If you are using trigo, can, no problem. So we still using the angle lah, isn't it? So now, okay. So I'm going to have for our D here. Okay. For our D here, I'm going to draw back for our right angle triangle here, because the questions is asking for us to find our O to P, isn't it? Isn't it, girls? Okay, so this one we have 30 degree, this one we have 60 degree. Okay, and just now we have our PQ is 8.66. Okay, so if you are using the trigonometry, so means that we are going to find our hypotenuse. If you are going to use the what? Saw or ka? This one. Depends lah. Okay. Depends. Okay. Can I zoom in first? So if you are using saw. Okay. So which one? Is it going to be 30 degree? Can. So sine 30 degree equals to opposite 5 over hypotenuse is going to be our OP. Right? If you are using our 60 degrees, so sine 30 degree equals to 30 pula. 60 degree equals to opposite is going to be 8.66 over hypotenuse is OP. Am I right? Okay. If you are using this one, if you are using saw, if you are using ka how? Ka can? Can. Okay. If we are using cos 30 degree, can or cannot? Adjacent is going to be 8.66 over hypotenuse is OP. Right? If you are using cos 60 degree, so you are going to get what? Ka for 60, adjacent is going to be 5 over hypotenuse OP. Isn't it? Faham tak? One more method. Yes, we can use Pythagoras Theorem. How? We are going to find our OP, which is our hypotenuse. So we can find by using OP square equals to 5 square plus with 8.66 square. So we are going to find for OP here, which is 5 square plus with 8.66 square, and you are going to square root. So it's up to you. Which one you are going to use? There are how many methods? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 ways to find our OP there. Is it going to be the same? Only maybe the decimal, I think. So, which one you are going to have over there? There, which one? Can use your calculator, find for the OP, what do you get? 10 5 square plus with 8.66 square, and then I'm going to get 99.99. Means that 100 lah. Square root of 99 and 0.99. I'm going to get 9.99999 times lah. OP here is 10 centimeter. Okay. So if others there, I'm going to get that one. 5 over sine 30. 10. Isn't it? 10 straight away. This one, 8.66 divided by sine 60. 9.99999. So, ayalah, 10 lah. We are going to round off, isn't it? You get using your calculator 9.9997. So, we are round off to 10 also. For this one, 8.66 divided by cos 30. 9.99997 also, right? So it's going to be 10 over here. For our OP there, 5 divided by cos 60, straight away 10, isn't it? So there are 5 ways to find our answer here. Can class? Can I proceed? Thank you. We go for our number 2 here. Okay. In the diagram on the right, O is the center of the circle with radius of 3 centimeter, and ROS is a straight line. Given that the angle of ORP, okay, given there already 25 degree, and PS is a tangent to this circle. Calculate the value of X. So, by looking at our diagram, I'm not going to draw back. Okay. What did you have there? Isosceles triangle. Am I right? Yes. Which is our OR and OP is going to have the same length. Why? Because that one is our radius, right? OR also radius to OP there. So, we are going to relate with isosceles triangle. What does it mean by isosceles triangle? You have 2 at the leg there. It's going to be 2 same length. And also, how about the angle? Also going to be the same over here, 25 degree. Means, I'm going to find the angle at the center here. Isn't it? Actually, you can find over here straight away. 25 plus 25, you're going to get 50. Isn't it? 25 plus 25, you're going to get 50. At the exterior angle from our triangle. Yalah. You want to find inside here first? No problem. You're going to get 180 minus with 25 minus with 25. You are going to get 130. To get this one, 180 minus with 130, you are going to get 50 back. Right. If you want to do that one, also no problem. No harm. Okay. The question just now is asking for our x. So what we have over here, the point of tangency means that one gonna be 90 degree. Can I find my x there? Yes, 180 minus 90 minus 50. So we are gonna get 40 degree for our x. Clear? Clear. Okay. Next. The length of PS. Okay. We have what there? Okay, this one I have to draw for you to look. Be here. I'm going to get PS, isn't it? So there are going to be our right angle triangle. So I'm going to get PS center here. So we have over here 50 degree. We have over here 40 degree. We have over here 90 degree. We have over here our 3 centimeter. And what more? That's all lah. Right. So the question is asking for PS. How we are going to find our P to S here? Girls, anyone? Oh, oi. Oi, give me answer.
We don't have hypo, so we're going to use OR.
Yeah, this one also, if you look over here, OS here is going to be our hypotenuse. So we don't have any hypotenuse over here. We are going to use our TOA. So this one also you have two angle there, isn't it? So it depends. If you are using for 50 degree, so the opposite here is going to be our PS over adjacent is going to be 3 centimeter, isn't it? 3 lah. Dia OP there. Or if you are using 40 degree, tangent 40 degree, so your opposite is going to be 3 centimeter over adjacent here is going to be our PS. Either one, do not do both lah. Okay, by using your calculator, that one 3 times with tangent 50. What did you get? Yes, PS, you are going to get over here 3.575, isn't it? Okay, for the other one, that one, I'm going to have 3 divide by tangent 40. Same. PS is going to be 3.575 centimeter also. Can class? Okay, last one. The length of RS. Where our RS? RS here is going to be combined from R to O to S. Am I right? Did we have our OS? Not yet. So that one we are going to find, isn't it? Which is OS is going to be what? Hypotenuse. So you are going to use what? Pythagoras Theorem? Want to use Pythagoras Theorem? I think it's more easy, right? Okay. So, okay, I'm going to draw back over here for our C. First thing first, I'm going to have our right angle triangle. And you are going to have our R over here. Which is, we know already just now that our R here and P here is going to be the same, isn't it? Because this one is going to be our radius to our center here. And what we have just now, our PS, already we have 3 point. Okay, this one I go for 5.8 can. Okay, just round off. Okay, this is PS already we have. Means we have 3 centimeter. I can find for my OS first. So OS square equals to 3 square plus with 3.5 square. So to find our OS here, you are going to use your calculator. 3 square plus with 3.58 square, I'm going to get 21.82. Can? Or by using your calculator, you are going to get everything there dah. Right? 8164, right? So square root of the answer, I'm going to get 4.67 for my OS. 4.67 centimeter. But the question not asking for the OS. The question is asking for RS. So we know that RS is going to be from R to O plus with O to S. So R to O we have already, that one is 3 centimeter. O to S we have already 4.67. So the total you are going to have over here is going to be 7.67 centimeter. Can class? Okay, so I stop for this one.